about to do my hair, and then I'm gonna do my makeup to look like Anne-Marie in her new music video, Psycho, or at least on Instagram. She has like a few pictures here. This is a picture that I found on Instagram of her, and I loved her makeup, so I really want to recreate the red eye thing, and then also the pigtails, but Brown Girl editions. The song is like, it's like, oh no, guess who got your password right? Oh no. Something. It's a pretty good song. I like it. I'll link it below. So don't take me singing it as your judgment of whether you like it or not, because I'm just gonna do it like with my hair, but with insert name here extensions, which I have 2 of the Laras, so I'm just gonna put both on, and then I'm gonna put on an outfit from Skims, a little like jumpsuit thing, but it looks like a little corset on the top, so it's gonna be super cute. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's just get into the hair part. I'm just gonna put my hair up into 2 pigtails up here, and then I'm gonna braid them. Also, I'm gonna do a little photo shoot later for Instagram, and I'm gonna post it on there, so I'll link my Instagram below too, so you guys can see how the pictures turned out, if you guys want to follow me on there as well. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will know if you forget, so try not to forget this time, okay? Also, comment below if you like this look. Just let me know what you think, and also let me know if I nailed it or I failed it. I'm not trying to make this a long video, so I'm just gonna try not to talk, because you know what, people are not gonna watch my videos if they're too long. You know, I've noticed that. I put one 10-minute video one time and nobody will watch that one. Okay, let's just do this already, okay?
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna walk undercover. You give me feels that you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels that you do, no one can do it like you.
I'm gonna get out Lara, which is extra long and sleek, perfect braid, and it's 34 inches.
No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. Girl, you're so hot like summer. No one can do it like you.
So I put in the braids. The good thing about this hair do is that there's no heat. I'm gonna do my makeup now, so stay tuned. In the picture here, it looks like she's wearing like the eyeshadow comes up and then it has like a little like she has like a little sparkle and underneath and around it's all red. It has eyeliner on, and she does the little thing where you go in with the eyeliner here and then you do the cat eye. She does have white on her waterline, so I did good.
No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels that you do. No one can do it like you.
just had to run to Target because I had an order to pick up and they were about to close, so I was like, skirt. I had already finished my makeup before that, so I just put on eyeliner, and I fixed my eyeshadow, and then I put on lip gloss, which I have the Fenty Heat in Hot Cherry, and then I also put on lip liner. Yep. Now let's go get dressed, and then I'll show you the final look. I love this freaking jumpsuit from Skims. It's like my favorite. My friend was like, oh, you should definitely get it, and so I was like, okay. Okay guys, this is what the final look looks like, and yeah, hopefully you guys like it. You know, like my little pigtails. Just go below in my description and see my Instagram because I'm gonna be posting pictures soon, and then also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys like this little tutorial thingy. It was pretty fun, and just let me know if you think that I look like Anne Marie. Obviously I don't, because she has blue eyes, she's white, she has blonde hair, but yeah, I tried to do my makeup like her, but didn't work. I was more just going for the vibe, the little pigtails and the red eyeshadow, so yeah, I like it. Bye guys.